I think if you look at the theme of our insurance conference this year, the AIO, it was about how do we improve or increase insurance penetration, and especially for the low-income customers. And that's a big focus for us because if you look at the insurance penetration in South Africa, yes, it might be at 15% of GDP, but if you look at the rest of the continent, look at like a big market like Nigeria, it's not even 1% penetration. And so it's very critical to create an awareness about the value and the purpose of insurance, but especially starting with the low-income earners. It's very easy for corporate companies because of governance processes and risk management requirements, and corporate listed, if they're a corporate listed company, to adhere to the listings, they have to have proper risk management, and therefore it's natural that they can buy insurance. But for a man in the street or a woman in the street, SMME, a self-employed individual, creating that awareness about the purpose and how insurance is so important to bring them back, to make sure that they're able to find value in it. It is one of the key challenges that us as an industry in the whole of Africa that we have to deal with. We had a session about the rest of the continent, learning about South Africa's insurance penetration. And it was amazing that there's a speaker from Bima, the CEO of Bima was here yesterday and spoke about how they're working in West Africa and other emerging markets, reaching low-income customers, and they have a vision of getting 1 billion low-income customers in emerging markets and in the rest of Africa, and they're doing it through mobile. Because of increased mobile penetration in Africa, that is the easiest way for us to be able to communicate to those customers and be able to sell our products. But it's more about educating about the value of insurance. So that's the approach. I think the conference is meeting that need. It was a fantastic conference. It was AIO has been hosted in South Africa. I think the last time was 12 years ago, and I think we've shown that as part of the continent, we're working together with the rest of the other countries. And I believe that the topics that we discussed, the standard of the presentations were amazing. And I think the organization as a whole as well, it went very well. And I think it's a good stepping stone for the future of the continent. There was a real identity about the African insurance sector in Africa.